Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share a BeReal by email. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up BeReal app. Then right here tap at your profile picture to open up your profile, and on the next step just open up a BeReal that you want to send by email. I'm just gonna pick the last one. And once the BeReal opens, all you have to do in order to send it is just drag this toolbar until you find that mail icon. Then you're just gonna hit on that and it opens up a new email creator. The BeReal image and link to your BeReal profile are already attached to that email, and all you have to do is just select whom you want to send this email to. Just type in some email and then hit on that arrow up icon to send it to the recipient. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my BeReal tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one.